Letter C. C is for cat. The cat purrs when you pet it. It chases after mice. C is for car. The car drives on the road. It takes us to different places. C is for cake. The cake is sweet and delicious. We eat it for celebrations. C is for cloud. The cloud is fluffy in the sky. It can look like different shapes. C is for cow. The cow gives us milk. It has spots on its body. C is for clock. The clock tells us the time. It has hands that move. C is for crayon. The crayon comes in many colors. We use it to draw and color. C is for chicken. The chicken lays eggs. We eat its eggs for breakfast. C is for cookie. The cookie is a tasty treat. It's often chocolate chip or sugar. C is for clown. The clown wears a funny costume. It makes people laugh. C is for cup. The cup holds our drinks. We use it for tea, milk, or juice. C is for carrot. The carrot is orange and crunchy. It's a healthy snack. C is for camera. The camera takes pictures. It captures memories. C is for candle. The candle gives off light. We use it on cakes for birthdays. C is for crab. The crab scuttles on the beach. It has pincers. C is for crown. The crown is worn by kings and queens. It's shiny and royal.